Are you confused on how to find a great professional locksmith? Then you're in luck. Contact our friendly and charismatic team and they'd be happy to tell you about our specialized services created to meet your standards. Our excellent team of professionals are always here at your beckoning to ensure your satisfaction is guaranteed. We're eagerly waiting to hear from you and to answer any questions that you may have on how we can best serve you. Your satisfaction is our ultimate goal. So please get in touch with us and let us show you the awesome options that we have for you.